Hi guys, today I will show you how to keep your viewers as long as possible on your video and get your 4,000 watching hour. So, see you soon. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel it's all about to help you how to grow your audience and channel. If you're first time on this channel, please hit this subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. Today I will tell you some tips how to keep your viewers as long as possible on your video and get your watching time. You gotta keep in mind when you talk something on video, every next sentence or word gotta be interesting. If you start with an interesting sentence but continue with a boring story, you will literally kick out your audience of your video. So try keep your story interesting as long you can. Also, you can use this as I do. First, announce video what is about, what are you gonna talk about. Then you put your short intro. After intro, introduce your channel, call people to subscribe you, like your channel or video. Then you start talk about story you announce at the beginning. So that's mean when you start video, you announce what are you gonna talk about. That's like 5 seconds. Your intro, short intro, 5 seconds. That's a 10 second. Then you introduce your channel, like 5 to 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Then you start with your video. You actually get 25 to 30 seconds. You didn't even started your video. You can use counting. For example, many of channel use giveaway and they want to send something to his viewer, subscriber. But don't discover a name who you're gonna give this present. Try do that. The winner is. Then you start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winner is. So you got actually 5 to 10 seconds just to discover the name who get a present from you. Also, I gotta mention, don't use clickbait. For example, you announce some kind of interesting video, then you put your intro, then you introduce your channel, everything I said at the beginning. Then you start a boring story. Nothing connected, nothing related with announce. Personally, I'm gonna watch your video 1 or 2 times, but next time when I see your video, I'm gonna say, this is a boring video. It's not actually the story he announced at the beginning. Next, the great thing, if you in your video mention some name of your viewers, subscribers. Everybody like to hear his name on your video. I like to hear when someone mention my name. So that's mean you actually appreciated that person and you care about his video. So when you mention more name than 1 or 2, that's mean you're getting more time, watching time. Of course, if you mention name just to get his attention, that's not good way to get his attention. You actually gotta know about him. You gotta be his viewer, but really, truly viewer. You gotta know anything about his channel, about his video. Next, you can also use comments of your viewers and put on your video. So I'm gonna be happy when I see my comment there. Say something about this comment. So that's mean you actually read his comment. Not just click a like or heart and that's all. Probably they ask you something, but you didn't read it. Next, this is what I'm gonna say right now. It's especially important for gamers. Guys, I mentioned that before. When you do a live stream, please make a conversation with your viewers. Don't let me wait 10 minutes for your answer. I'm not gonna do that. I know 100 gamers, they do what I said right now. and I give up from them. But also I know 100 gamers who make conversation with the people, and I'm so glad to stay as long as possible there. And one more important thing at the end, if you gotta say something, for example, discover some secret to us, please don't say, I will discover after. But before, I'm gonna say something. But you're gonna start with a boring story. And you continue like 10 minutes, but never tell me this secret.
You actually force me to skip all your video and go on the end to hear a secret you have for us. This is all, guys, for today. I hope you liked this video. If you got some question, please comment below. Ask me anything. Again, if you're first time here, please hit this subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. And thanks for watching, and bye.